Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to record a Zoom call or meeting with OBS. So first of all, and of course, you will need the Zoom application and OBS on your PC. All you need to do, just go to your browser. So for me, as an example, I'm using Brave. So go to whatever browser you have, and all you need to do, just go and type OBS download download. Then go to the first link, download OBS for your Windows, maybe if you have a Mac or even Linux. So after downloading OBS, all you need to do, just go and click add or type Zoom download again. As you can see here, click add the first link as well. Here all you need to do, just go and download it again. So let's click X for because I already have that. So let's say for example you already download this too. All you need to do, just go and set up those two applications. After that, go and open them both. So after opening OBS, first of all, just go to OBS first, then click here, go here at scene section and click at the plus icon here. So here all you need to do, just name your scene. Let's say for example I'll type Zoom meeting, then click as OK. And then all you need to do, just go here at source and click at plus, then go and click at window capture. So here just name it whatever you want again, so just name it Zoom maybe, and as you can see here, you can choose your window. For us, we will choose, so here all you need to do, just go and choose the window of Zoom. So if you are at another thing, just go here and choose your window as Zoom and click OK. Then go here at Zoom and expand this until maybe it's become like this, then adjust it as you want. And as you can see now, if you start your record, maybe if you start your meeting first, then all you need to do, just set up some hotkeys to start recording. Just do that by go to settings, hotkeys, and go here at start or stop recording, choose whatever hotkeys you want, then click at apply. Here here is the apply and click at OK. Then all you need to do, just start your record, and it will record your Zoom meeting whenever or however you want. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.